Good morning, students. In continuation with the topic median, where in my previous video I have explained you how to calculate median by individual series and discrete series. So today in this session I will be explaining you how to calculate median by frequency distribution series, or you can also say how to calculate median in a continuous series. Well children, the formula for frequency distribution goes like this: m equals to L1 plus n upon 2 minus Cf upon f into I. Now over here L1 is children lower limit. Then Cf is cumulative frequency, f is frequency of the median, and I is the size of the median class interval. Now when we will be doing, I will be explaining you accordingly. So here is the data with which we are going to find out median by frequency distribution method. So the data goes like this, that we have a wage rate that is between 0 to 10, then 10 to 20, then 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. And the number of workers in 0 to 10 is 22, 10 to 20 is 38, 20 to 30 is 46, 30 to 40 is 35 and 40 to 50 is 20. Now if you see, there is a table which has 3 columns. In the first column I have taken wage rate, second is F frequency, third is CF, that is cumulative frequency. Now over here in the wage rate, if you all can see, we have taken 0 to 10, 10 to 20, we have plotted the data, then 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. Frequency we have taken as it has been given. 0 to 10 is for 22, then 10 to 20 for 38, 20 to 30 is 46, 30 to 40 is 35 and 40 to 50 is 20. Now children, what you have to do to take out median by frequency distribution, first you have to convert the frequency into cumulative frequency. As I have already told you and you have already done in discrete series how to convert frequency into a cumulative frequency. But still again I am telling you, if you see, the first frequency is 22, which we have taken as 22 in cumulative frequency. Then the second frequency goes like this, that you add 22 with 38 and it comes to 60. Then you add 60 to the frequency 46 and you get 106. And then again you add 106 to a frequency of 35, you get 141. And then again you add 141 to a frequency of 20 and you get 161. Now this is how you find out cumulative frequency from the frequency. And I told you that day also that if you have to find that your calculation is correct, then you can find out that the total of frequency, that is sigma f, which is also known as n, equals to 161 when you add all the frequency together. So your last cumulative frequency should be same as the total of the frequency, that is 161. Now very important thing children over here, that is to find the median by frequency distribution, the formula over here which you have to keep in mind. See what we have taken over here, m equals to size of n upon tooth item. Now if you remember, while we did individual series and discrete series, our formula was n plus 1. But in frequency distribution or a continuous series, you will not put the formula as n plus 1. It will be only n upon 2. So over here, m equals to size of n. We have done the total of frequency which is n, that is 161. So 161 upon 2 item, that comes to, if you divide 161 from 2, you get 80.5 item. Now children, most important thing, you have to find out this 80.5 in the cumulative frequency, that it comes in which value. Now if you see the cumulative frequency which has been plotted, it is 22, 60, 106, 141 and 161. Now you have to find out that this 80.5th item comes in which value of cumulative frequency. Now if you see, it comes in, it cannot come in 22, it cannot be in 60, so it comes in 106, right? So 106 is the value where we can find this 80.5th item. Now the most important thing which you all have to remember. Now what we are going to do, we are going to plot this into a formula. Now before we plot into a formula, we need to find out the certain things. Now already we have found that 80.5th item comes in 106. So children, remember that your cumulative frequency which is to be plotted in the formula will be just above the value of 80.5th, means it has to above the 106, that is 60. I have put 60 in a box so that it becomes more clear for you. So 60 will be your CF, that is cumulative frequency. Now this CF could also be called as CP, that is cumulative previous. If you name it CP, it becomes more easy to understand that which figure is to be taken as a CF. So remember, it has to be the previous one. So if 80.5th item comes in 106, so your cumulative frequency has to be previous than 106, that is 60. Then your frequency is 46 because your 80.5th item was in 106. If it is in 106, your frequency goes as 46. Again, I put it in box for you, and just in front of it you can see that wage rate it is 22.30. So children, your L1 is 20, your CF is 60, your F is, that is frequency, is 46, and your I told you is the size of the median. That means 20 to 30, the difference between 20 to 30 is I. So the difference between 20 to 30 is how much? It is 10. So your I is 10. Now if you see, we'll plot this into a formula, and I have done it over here. M equals to L1 plus N upon 2 minus CF upon F into I. Now children, M equals to L1 is how much? See, I have written on the right hand side for you, that is 20 plus N we have already found before also, it was 80.5, but still we are going to plot it again. 161 upon 2. CF is how much? 60. And F is how much? Upon 46. And I is how much? Into 10. So M equals to 20 plus, if you divide 161 from 2, it comes to 80.5 minus 60 upon 46 into 10. So here M equals to 20 plus, if you minus 20.5 from 60 from 80.5, you get 20.5 upon 46 into 10. So M equals to 20 plus 4.46, which you get, and M equals to 24.46. That means median equals to 24.46. So children, this is how you can find out median by frequency distribution series.